Hey, guys, I have been testing these fryer cooker system for some time, and today I am doing the mega comparison fryer cooker system. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. Description. The principle of high-speed air circulation, replacing the oil with hot air to quickly heat and crisp food, and use less oil to make a deep-fried texture, which can reduce the fat. Using high-temperature penetration to bring out the oil of the food itself, and evaporate to the surface to effectively reduce fat and oil, while locking the water price and nutrition of the food, so that you can enjoy the delicious meat without worrying about fat growth. Through the heating devices on the top and bottom, the air in the pan is quickly heated. Under the action of the high-power fan, the air in the pan is accelerated, quickly heating and brittle the ingredients, and it can be healthy and fried without adding oil. Good tasting food. Number 4. Specifications. Name: 220 volts 1000W3.5L air fryer. Color: black. Material: plastic shell. Rated voltage: 220 volts 110 volts. Rated power: 1000W. Capacity: 3.5L. Dimension: 24x25x 30 cm 9.4x 9.8x 11.8. Feature: healthier fried food, to help reduce added fat by 70–80%, without sacrificing the flavor of your fried food. 360 degrees hot air circulation technology, quickly and fully heat and brittle foods. Digital easy touch panel control. Just put your food into the fryer basket, set the temp, and set the timer. Your crispy food comes out. Number 3. Brand name: Biolomic certification, Origin, CAN model number, MA 510 voltage, 220–240 capacity, 12 housing material, plastic. Number 2. Air fryer. 4.5-quart electric hot air fryers oven oilless cooker with LED digital screen and non-stick frying pot. 1200 watts electric hot air fryers oven and oilless cooker for roasting. Description. The principle of high-speed air circulation, replacing the oil with hot air to quickly heat and crisp food, and use less oil to make a deep-fried texture, which can reduce the fat. Number 1. Features: 6L large capacity, multifunction, French fries, chicken wings, steak, eggs tarts. Rapid heating, delicious, etc. The hollow basket is not stained and easy to clean. 360 degrees high-speed hot air circulation. Hot air can replace hot oil to reduce oil intake. Safe and non-toxic, good heat resistance. High-quality non-stick pan liner. Application: French fries, chicken wings, corn, toast, etc. sizes. Thank you watching this video.